Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you just the beginner basic of how to make a chain. First, we're going to start with holding our yarn. Again, I have a video on different ways that you can hold your yarn if you want to check that out here. And then we're just going to start with our hook. I'm just using a 5mm hook, but you can use whatever hook your project and your yarn calls for. So we're gonna start with a slip knot, and this is how I make my slip knots. I just take my yarn here and I make a loop with it. So you see this loop here, and I just hold that intersection. I insert my hook through that loop, and then I take this yarn on my hand and yarn over. So we see that we got this yarn on our hook and we got this loop. So we're going to take that yarned over yarn and pull it through that loop. Now we're going to still hold this because we're not done yet, and we're going to yarn over one more time and pull through the loop on our hook one more time. So we've got this funny looking chain here, and all we do is just release that, take this tail and pull. This is going to create our little slip knot, and a slip knot is just something that moves freely that you can close and open and tighten by pulling one of the strings. So here we are with our slip knot, and this is how you start pretty much every single project. And now I'm going to show you how to chain. So we've got this little starting loop on our hook, so we're going to yarn over with some yarn, and we're just going to pull that yarn through that loop. That's why I like making my slip knot this way, because when we do that, it's just like we're chaining two to make our slip knot, and it's the easiest to remember and the easiest thing to do since we're always chaining. So we have our first chain here on our hook, and we've got our loop on our hook. So we're just going to yarn over and pull through that loop. So now we have two chains, and that is how you make a chain. You just continue that process for however many you're going to need for your foundation of your project. So you just keep yarning over and just keep pulling that through the loop. And here we are with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 chains. The chains, you'll notice, are just these little V's that start to form as we keep going. And that's how you make a chain. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to figure out how to make some single crochets, check out this next video. I will catch you guys in the next one.